In this video, we will have a closer look on how to create and use product models in Project. Let's start by defining a product model. Create new, add symbols. Of course, we can add symbols both for schematics and installation. Let's add some product information to the model. Then we give the model a name. Then we can add additional information to the product. Additional information can be used in drawings, BIM models, and in reports. You can add as much information as you like. Let's create a new product model, and this time we go and grab it from product model library. Double click, press OK, and as you can see we get 2D and 3D symbols and additional product information. Let's add symbols to the product model. Give the model a name. Check the position. Take a number that is free, in this case 7. Let's add some additional information to the model. Users can also create their own additional information packages. Now we've added additional information to the product. As you can see, there are plenty of symbols for positioning devices. Let's do yet another product model. Let's go for a schematic symbol. Let's add some product information. Add the information. As you can see, we got pictures and size information. Now let's insert some product models into the drawing. As you can see, there is a real-time bill of material. Now let us go to the schematics and insert the product model here. Let's select symbols for the schematics. Select the right ID. It is also possible to convert a product to a product model. Let's go to the layout, and then we can add the products from the product model. Now we get the measures from the product library. As you can see, we can just insert them into the drawing. Now let's have a look at the 3D models, product and additional information in BIM model. Let's click the product and we can see that our data is here. And when we check this luminaire, we can see our own additional data added to the BIM model. The data can also be found in the report tools. In this case, we can check the luminaire list, and as you can see, our data is there, stored in the project. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.